Hello, back with a brand new video, and today we're gonna play Hypixel and some Bedwars. And if we reach 10 subscribers or 8, I'll do a face reveal. I was gonna make a video, but it didn't work out. So if you guys want me to make a video onto drag click like this, I actually can't do it right now. You might hear me doing it, but it's, I don't know. Can show you guys if we can hit that like button. Go down here. And I'll do a full thing. It won't be that long, so I won't have to waste your time. Oh, sorry about that. Didn't mean to do this. Okay, so yeah, so we are going to play Bedwars. So let's play. I'm just gonna say I'm not the best at Bedwars. Which I really like. I have a lot of luck. Oh, fast generator. I'm not the best at the sandwich defense, because I'm trying to learn how. Sorry if I'm not talking much. I'm not that good, so. But we are going to try to attempt something. So. Holy is proud. Shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, 100. Close one. Oh, shoot. I should have bought a pop-up tower. Oh, shoot. My fireballs. Oh, yes. Plus 2 for possession. Sorry if I cannot finish the whole game. I will try, because on my app that I'm using to record, I can't do like unlimited videos. I can only do 15, so I hope this doesn't last long. So,
is anybody here?
Hi, Dad.
Ethan, the dog's outside. I gotta open the front door.
Yeah. Yeah. I actually gotta go take my dogs out. So, yeah. I'm gonna finish this match, but I actually should take my dog out right now. So, I'm good. Oh my god! What just happened? Oh my god. Shoot. Yeah, I will! Alright, I gotta go do it now. So, okay, I am back, because, yeah. It's because my mom actually had to take them out, so we're actually good, so. So if I'm not the best at the game, but I'll try my best. Yay! I can get propped. So I'm gonna do my best in this game. And if you guys can consider liking and subscribing, because I'm not that popular, but my friends have gotten way more sense of their Fortnite videos, but I'm not a big fan of Fortnite, so I like to play Minecraft more. So if you guys like this video, maybe consider dropping a like. Don't have to. Just yeah, I just kind of wanna, Oh my god, my fireball just went. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go mid and try to do something, so. Okay, hope I get something good from this. I feel like I'm gonna die, so. We're gonna go get red space, so I don't want him to see me. Bro, please don't come here. Shoot. I don't hear the drag.
Oh, don't worry about it. Actually, I don't use it that much.
Oh my god, oh my god. No way. No way, no way, no way, no way. Oh my god, I just did that. Oh my god, oh my god. I thought I was dead. Lag saved me, lag saved me.
I can't see between the rails and that.
So, yeah, let's go.
Oh, it's leaking.
Lag alert just saved me, man.
Good time.
That is so lucky.
Let's take the towel downstairs.
Comment clutch if you saw that. Oh my god, I just got it. Don't worry about the skins, my sisters. Oh, let's go. That's class.
Is there a hole in the bottom? Can you just jump up in there? Okay. Is it open in the bottom? So you just jam something there?
Oh, shit, I already have that.
Right, from that.
4 TNTs.
Grouse.
Fireball and another TNT, I guess. I guess some more. I might get an invis pot. I might do it again. I'm gonna wait for red to leave his base. I might not be able to do these bridges a lot since because it's hard to do it when you're laggy. And this video is actually gonna end in 40 minutes, so sorry. I'm gonna try to make it right after if I can, but if I can't, I'm sorry. He doesn't know. He doesn't even know. Oh my god. What was the sound I made? They call me... Yeah, I don't know what they call me. They just call me cool, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I am pretty cool, I think. Am I? Yeah. I think I'm pretty cool. I don't know if I am pretty cool. I think I'm pretty cool. And I am pretty cool. I don't know what to do with the diamond. Why is the ender chest invisible? I was looking for it. Buy water to emoji with. Gotta get some of that, and then, you know. Compass, we're not gonna use the compass. Let's go. Oh! Let's go! We're class. We're class. Oh shit, I thought I was just something I needed. Alright. Wait, I'm gonna end the video right here, and I'll come back for you. Never mind, that's not possible, so. So this will probably be the near end of the video. We'll probably will be. But we're just gonna do something real quick. I need 2 gold. Here, actually. Do I have the twerking emote? I don't think I do anymore. I'm gonna see my, that's class!